Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and device permissions so voice can actually pass through. Check Xbox Live sign-in and Game Pass status, because Sea of Thieves needs a connected profile. Once done, open privacy settings. Allow voice chat and microphone access on your console or PC. This prevents blocked audio at the system level. Then restart the game and power cycle your router or switch to a wired connection for lower latency. This first sweep eliminates common permission and network blockers. Now you focus on the game and hardware. Open Sea of Thieves audio settings and choose the correct voice mode. Open for proximity, party for private groups, because wrong mode mutes expected channels. Make sure in-game voice volume and mic gain are balanced. Then verify your system audio mix so game audio and chat aren't conflicting. If problems persist, test your headset on a phone or PC to isolate hardware faults. Once you confirm device health, you can proceed with network and NAT checks. Finish by resolving network and software edge cases. Check your NAT type. Open is best for peer voice. Enable UPnP on the router or forward Sea of Thieves ports if needed, because blocked ports stop peer connections. Clear the game cache or reinstall if files are corrupted, and update your OS or console firmware plus network drivers to remove protocol bugs. If voice still fails, switch to a platform party chat as a temporary workaround while you troubleshoot the NAT and port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.